Hey you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to limit responses in SurveyMonkey. So what we're going to do is we go to a survey that we already created. So let's do the wealth one right here. And then you will see right here the design options, and there we click on publish survey. Then we go right here to the three dots where we do edit collector. And then you will send to this page right here. If we look right here to the options, you can find right here the response limits. So what we're going to do is we go to show advanced options, and now you will find right here the option response limits. So we click on that and then we enable it, and then we fill in right here, enter a number greater than the current count of 1 and closest collector ever a specified number of responses. So if he receives 25 responses, he will close our survey. So now he will automatically save this one, and now we just set a limit to the responses. So this is great. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.